You like hard?
Yeah, yeah.
Push hard?
Yes.
Yeah. Because some people they don't like push hard.
I like hard.
Yeah.
Okay, mga lods. Ito na nga, nagpapamasaya ako. I'm having back pain already and some stress in my back. So I have my Indonesian friend. Where are you from, Bali?
From Indonesia?
Bali?
No, from Java.
Java,
Yeah,
yeah.
Java. Central Java.
Central Java.
Yeah.
All the Indonesian are good massage. They know how
think,
to
yeah.
massage. You know how much I pay for this? In our money, it's about 1,700 peso. It's like $30, no? Here. So, if we compare at home, you only pay like 200 pesos. It's only $2.50, no?
Yeah.
The same in the but here in the ship is different because everybody had a job to do and everybody had long hours, long day, very tired. So when you make this kind of massage, it's very kind of expensive, you know, compared to our home, to the Philippines and to Indonesia.
This one is pen, huh?
Yeah. So now he's massaging my upper back, left part of my back. He's doing good, very good.
I think this one is pain.
Yeah.
I see this body. I touch. When you join in here?
Oh, and we are the pioneer here. We are the opening.
Oh, opening?
Yeah, and I will be the last one going home. November 9, the last
November?
batch. November 9, last batch.
This one is not pen.
Yeah. I was having a back pain already.
Yeah.
It's a little bit swollen the left part of my back. But what we can do? What can I do? I had nothing to do to finish my contract. Wow.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
You relax?
Yeah. Shout out kay siya yung taga-massage ko sa amin sa Concepcion. Shout out to you. Looking forward to see you again. You're still the best massage I ever had.
This one?
Yeah. Well,
This one also, huh?
but don't put in the middle map.
Oh, this one?
Oh yeah, no. Yeah, only there. Yeah.
Sorry.
All right, that's it.
What happened with the lower back pain?
Yeah, because of heavy lifting every day, non-stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only the upper. This one is okay?
No, I need it.
Only this one.
No, also the back, on the bed. Yeah,
This one.
yeah, everything. Full body massage.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna enjoy my massage. So I see you later again after the massage. Thank you for watching and enjoy your life, and make the best of it. Bye. See you.